Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today I will discuss with you how to MRI of TM joint performance. So let's go started. First of all, you can see here there are three images. Both are localizer images. The first image is sagittal, this is coronal, and another is axial. So look at the protocol and look at the parameters. So at first now I will do the plan T2 TAC transfer. So axial plan will be on the sagittal and coronal images. Now I nicely set up the planning and following the anatomy and physiology. Okay, look here and look here. Okay, is and everything now fine, and look the parameters showing here. Is and now everything fine. Okay, now the apply. Okay. Okay, now next plan, PD coronal. So coronal plan will be on the axial and sagittal images. Look here, this is right side and another, this is left side. Okay, now I nicely set up the planning and look here the sagittal images. Okay, I'm showing here the protocol and look here the parameters. Is and everything okay? Now nicely set up the planning. Now apply. Okay, now next plan. T1 sagittal. So T1 sagittal plan will be on the axial and coronal images. Look here the protocol and look at the parameters showing. Now I nicely set up the planning. Look here, and this is right and another is left. Okay. Look here. Okay, now everything is fine. Now I nicely set up the planning following anatomy and physiology. And now apply. Next, PD sagittal. Just copy T1 sagittal. At first open the protocol. Copy parameters, license saturation region. Now okay. Open the protocol. Now copy parameters, license saturation. Now apply. Okay. Look here. Okay. Now look here. Now apply. Then append. Okay. Now left side. Yeah. Look here. Look here. Now I nicely set up the planning. Showing here protocol, is and everything now okay. And now I apply. Okay, now next plan, open mouth. Just patient open the mouth. Look here and look here. This is right side and this is left side. Okay. Now apply. Okay, now the next plan, T1 sagittal open mouth. Now I nicely set up the planning. Look here. Now apply. Okay, now final image showing here.